your brother, Angelo Visconde. Her philosophy in life is too short. We must live the life to the fullest. During the first canvassing, she earned 17,798 pesos, 108,061 pesos for the second canvassing, and 175,417 for the third canvassing, a total of 356,276. Let's welcome Little Miss Macdo, second runner-up, Francesca Miles Visconde. May I call her parents to award the sash, plaque, and bouquet.
Kasi si Miss Hyacinth Birong mukhang nahulog na yung... Kuya! Thank you, Little Miss Macdo, second runner-up.